Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all are good. Now study is going on with full energy. Okay, now with this energy, here we discuss some very important MCQ of class 10 bio part. Okay. Now, first, the filtration unit of kidney are called. What is the filtration unit of kidney are called? A. Ureter, B. Urethra, C. Nephrons, neurons, and D. Nephrons. Okay, so what is the filtration unit? Okay, so what is the answer? Option D, nephrons. Okay, nephrons which is present into the kidney. Okay, so this is the filtration unit. Okay, now next, oxygen liberate during photosynthesis comes from. कि जो ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट है इन द फोटोसिंथेसिस रिएक्शन, जो ऑक्सीजन रिमूव होती है, तो वो जो ऑक्सीजन है ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, तो दिस ऑक्सीजन इज कम्स फ्रॉम वाटर, क्लोरोफिल, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड या फिर ऑप्शन डी ग्लूकोज. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि जो ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट होती है ड्यूरिंग फोटोसिंथेसिस, इट इज कम्स फ्रॉम water molecule, because in this reaction H2O, oxygen is also present into the water molecule and oxygen is also present into the carbon dioxide molecule. So oxygen is present into water molecule and carbon dioxide also. So when the oxygen is released from the photosynthesis process, so this oxygen is comes from the water molecule, from this, not comes from the carbon dioxide. ओके, तो जो वाटर ऑक्सीजन लिबरेट हो रही है वो कहाँ से आएगी? वाटर से आएगी, ना कि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, द ब्लड लीविंग द टिश्यू बिकम्स रिचर इन. ओके, ब्लड लीविंग द टिश्यूज रिचर इन ए कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, बी वाटर, सी हीमोग्लोबिन, डी ऑक्सीजन. तो ब्लड लीविंग द टिश्यू बिकम्स रिचर इन, तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. नाउ नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इन द एक्सपायर्ड एयर व्हेन अ पर्सन इज रेस्टिंग इन कंडीशन. ओके, तो नाउ व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज ऑक्सीजन इन द एक्सपायर्ड एयर व्हेन, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट कि पर्सन इज रेस्टिंग पोजिशन. Okay, so when a person is in resting position, so what is the percentage? The answer is option B, 16%. Okay, so what is the answer? The answer is 16%. Okay, now next, in amoeba food is digested in the, okay, A food vacuole, B mitochondria, C pseudopodia, D chloroplast. Okay, तो in amoeba we know that कि amoeba engulf their food by the help of pseudopodia. Okay, तो when it engulf their food, तो it convert into a food vacuole. तो किस में digest करेगा? Food vacuole में. तो what is the right answer? The right answer is food vacuole. तो amoeba food is digest in the food vacuole. Now next question, in which of the following groups of organisms are food material broken down outside the body and absorbed? Okay, so these are the option कि in which of the following group organisms are food material broken down outside the body and absorbed. Okay, तो जो मटेरियल है, फ्रूट मटेरियल इज ब्रोकन डाउन आउटसाइड द बॉडी, वेयर इट इज ब्रोकन डाउन आउटसाइड द बॉडी एंड देन इट विल एब्जॉर्ब, बाद में ये एब्जॉर्ब किया जाएगा. तो व्हाट इज द ऑप्शंस? ए मशरूम, ग्रीन प्लांट्स एंड अमीबा, डी बी यीस्ट, मशरूम, ब्रेड मोल्ड, सी पैरामीशियम, अमीबा एंड कैस्कुटा, एंड डी Cascuta, lice and tapeworm. Okay, so what is the answer? So the answer is option B. This is the right answer कि yeast, mushroom and bread mold. Okay, in these organisms जो food material है is broken down outside the body and after that they absorb it. Okay, now next, the concentration and expansion, contraction and expansion movement of the walls of the food pipe is called. Okay, so here two processes are there. First is contraction and second is expansion. Okay, so there are two movements. First is contraction and second is expansion. So contraction and expansion movement of the walls of the food pipe is called A. Translocation, B. Transpiration, C. Peristaltic movement या D. Digestion. Okay, so what is the right answer? The right answer is option C. Peristaltic movement. Okay, now this is one more question. What is peristaltic movement? Okay, this is the one more question. The contraction and expansion movement of the walls of esophagus. It is very important. कहाँ पर हो रहा है? Peristaltic movement in the esophagus. Okay, तो due to the peristaltic movement जो food है become जो food वो कहाँ की तरफ move करता है? Move downwards. Okay, तो this is the peristaltic movement. कि the peristaltic movement of the esophagus. What happened in the peristaltic movement? Contraction and expansion of the walls of the esophagus. Okay, so that's why the food is moved towards the downside. Okay, now next question. What are the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plants? तो इसमें anaerobic respiration in plants A. Lactic acid plus energy, B. Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy, C. Ethanol, carbon dioxide plus energy, D. Pyruvate. Okay, so what are the products obtained by anaerobic respiration in plants? So what is the right answer? Option C. Ethanol, carbon dioxide and energy. Now next, when a few drops of iodine solution, are added to rice water, the solution turns blue-black in color. That rice water contains. Okay, when a few drops of iodine solution added to rice water, the solution turned blue-black in color. So what is rice water contain? A. Fats, B. Complex protein, C. Starch या D. Simple protein. So what is the right answer? Option C. Starch. This is the right answer. Now next question. In which mode of nutrition an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism without killing it? Okay, so one more time. In which mode of nutrition? Okay, there are many type of modes of nutrition. So an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism. Okay, organism derives food from the body of another living organism without killing it. So what is the answer? Options A. Saprophytic nutrition, B. Parasitic nutrition, C. Holozoic nutrition या D. Autotrophic nutrition. So what is the right answer? The right answer is parasitic nutrition. What happened in the saprotrophic nutrition? So in the saprotrophic nutrition, dead and decaying matters are used in the saprotrophic nutrition. Okay, and what happened in the holozoic nutrition? So where an organism have all metabolic activities like digestion, absorption, assimilation, so these activities are involved in the holozoic nutrition. And autotrophic nutrition, auto means self, itself. Okay, so autotrophic nutrition, when some organism they can produce their own food, these organism या this type of nutrition is called autotrophic nutrition. Okay, now next the mode of nutrition found in fungi is. ओके, तो फंगस के अंदर फंगाइज में कौन सा मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन है? ए पैरासाइटिक न्यूट्रिशन, बी होलोजोइक न्यूट्रिशन, सी ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन या डी सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. तो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? द राइट आंसर इज सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, तो विच टाइप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन फाउंड इन फंगाइज? तो दीज आर सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन. Now next, root of plants absorb water from the soil through the process of. Okay, the root of the plants absorb water from the soil through the process of A diffusion, B transpiration, C osmosis या D none of these. तो what is the right answer? What happened? किसमें क्या होगा आंसर? The answer is osmosis. What is osmosis? When water moves from high concentration to low concentration, this process is known as the osmosis. Okay. Now, what is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? What is the difference? So, what happened in the osmosis? In the osmosis, water molecules move from high concentration to low concentration. And what happened in the diffusion? जो gases molecules हैं, they are moved from high concentration to low concentration. Okay, so this is the diffusion and this is the osmosis. So when we talk about the roots of the plant absorb water from the soil through the process of, this process is known as the osmosis. Now next, the हम कर चुके हैं. Now next, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy take place in. Okay, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy take place in A cytoplasm, B mitochondria, C chloroplast, D nucleus. तो कहाँ पे होगा? ऑप्शन बी माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. ओके, तो क्या हो रहा है? व्हाट हैपन इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया? ब्रेकडाउन ऑफ पायरुवेट. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट? द प्रोडक्ट इज कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, वाटर एंड एनर्जी. ओके, तो दिस इज द प्रोसेस एंड वेयर दिस प्रोसेस इज अकर इन द माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. नाउ नेक्स्ट, bile juice is secreted by A stomach, B pancreas, C small intestine या D liver. Okay, bile juice. What is the answer? Answer is option D liver. Now next, okay, which of these juice is secreted by pancreas? Okay, so which of these juices is secreted by pancreas? Okay, A trypsin, B pepsin, C bile juice या option D both first and second. Okay, so what happened in the first? Trypsin and what is in B pepsin. तो जो juice है which is secreted by pancreas, this is pepsin and trypsin. Both juice are secreted by the pancreas. So what is the right answer? Option D. This is the right answer. And what is the function of pepsin? Pepsin. तो what pepsin क्या करेगा? Breakdown of protein. ये क्या कर रहा है? What is the function of pepsin? Breakdown of protein. ये क्या करेगा? Breakdown of protein. Okay, and trypsin, what is the role of trypsin? It convert protein into peptones. ये क्या करेगा? प्रोटीन इसको कन्वर्ट करेगा पेप्टोन्स में. ओके, तो बोथ आर सिक्रेटेड बाय द पैनक्रियाट्स. ओके, तो व्हाट इज द फंक्शन? ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड ट्रिप्सिन इसमें कन्वर्ट करेगा पेप्टोन्स में. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seed and buds? Okay, तो which plant hormone promotes dormancy in seed and buds? तो कौन सा हार्मोन है जो डॉर्मेंसी ऑफ सीड एंड बड्स को प्रमोट करता है? तो दिस इज द एब्सिसिक एसिड, ऑक्सिन, जिब्रेलिन, साइटोकाइनिन. तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, एब्सिसिक एसिड. Okay, root of plants are, roots of plants are A, positively geotrophic, B, negatively geotrophic, C, positively phototrophic, D, none of these. Okay, there are two terms, first is phototrophic and second is geotrophic. Okay, so what is the meaning of phototrophic? Phototropism, it means कि when a plant is show the movement towards the light. Okay, so this is known as the phototrophic. Photo means light. Photo means light. It means कि the plant movement towards the light. So this is known as the phototrophic. So what is the example? The movement of stem. Okay, this is the example कि movement of stem is, it is the example of phototropism. Okay, because stem कहाँ move कर रहा है? Towards the light. And geotropism, geotrophic, geo मतलब gravity, gravity, it means कि down towards the earth. Okay, तो gravity कौन show करेगा? Example, root. कौन शो कर रहा है? रूट. ओके, तो रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर, अब देखो रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर, देखो देयर आर टू ऑप्शन, पॉजिटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म या नेगेटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म. ओके, तो पॉजिटिव फोटोट्रोपिज्म या नन ऑफ दिस. तो पॉजिटिव फोटोट्रोपिज्म, दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. ओके, बिकॉज फोटोट्रोपिज्म इट मींस टुवर्ड्स द लाइट एंड वी नो दैट कि रूट, दिस इज द रॉन्ग एग्जांपल टू फोटोट्रोपिज्म का. तो ऑप्शन सी रॉन्ग है. ओके, नाउ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव. नेगेटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म इट मींस कि अगेंस्ट द ग्रेविटी. ओके, इट मींस कि जियोट्रोपिज्म के अगेंस्ट. तो ये नेगेटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म कौन शो कर सकता है? स्टेम. ये कौन शो करेगा? स्टेम, क्योंकि वो कहाँ जा रहा है? ग्रेविटी, ग्रेविटेशनल के अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में ऊपर की तरफ मूव करता है स्टेम. तो ऑप्शन, हम किसकी बात करें? हम रूट्स की बात करें. इट मीन्स कि रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर, तो रूट्स क्या कर रही है? पॉजिटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म. वो कहाँ मूव कर रही है? टुवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड, टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ. तो इट मीन्स कि रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर पॉजिटिव जियोट्रोपिज्म. वो कहाँ मूव कर रही है? पॉजिटिव साइड में, टुवर्ड्स द ग्राउंड. ओके, इट मीन्स कि रूट्स ऑफ प्लांट्स आर पॉजिटिव जियोट्रोपिक. नाउ नेक्स्ट. Okay, which plant hormone promotes cell division? Okay. Which plant hormone promotes cell division? A, auxin, B, gibberellin, C, cytokinin या D, abscisic acid. तो which plant hormone promotes cell division? तो what is the right answer? The right answer is cytokinin. Okay, this is the plant hormone which promotes cell division. Okay, now next, the highest coordinating center in the human body is, okay, coordinating center in the human body is spinal cord, B, heart, C, brain या D, kidney. Okay, तो highest coordinating center, which is the highest coordinating center? Option C, brain. It is the highest coordinating center. Now next question. Posture and balance of the body is controlled by, posture और balance किसके थ्रू कंट्रोल होती है? ए पोन्स, बी मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा, सी सेरिब्रम या सेरिबेलम या सेरिब्रम। तो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस, इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस इट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा। किसके थ्रू कंट्रोल होते हैं? मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा, आई थिंक ऑप्शन पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस, ये तो किसके थ्रू कंट्रोल होंगे? सेरिब्रम के थ्रू, नॉट मेडुला ऑब्लांगेटा के थ्रू कंट्रोल होंगे। पोस्चर एंड बैलेंस ये कंट्रोल होंगे सेरिबेलम के थ्रू। Which of the following acts as both endocrine and exocrine glands? Okay, so there are two types of glands. First is endocrine and second is exocrine glands. Okay, so which is act as a pancreas, B thyroid, C adrenal या D liver? Endocrine glands it means कि उनके सिक्रीशन कहाँ जाते हैं? टूवर्ड्स द, कि मतलब जो एंडो मतलब अंदर की तरफ, सिक्रीशन कहाँ वो ड्रॉप कर रही है? इनसाइड द वेसल्स। ओके, और एक्सोक्राइन्स नहीं कर रही हैं, वो डायरेक्ट ऑर्गन्स तक पहुंचा रही है। एंडोक्राइन थ्रू वेसल्स के थ्रू वो टारगेट ऑर्गन तक पहुंचाएगी। ओके, तो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर कि विच एक्ट एज अ बोथ एंडोक्राइन एंड एक्सोक्राइन ग्लैंड? तो ए, दिस इज द पेनक्रियास। ओके, दिस इज द राइट आंसर। Now next, which of the following is control and coordination center in human? Okay, control and coordination center in human. A brain and spinal cord, B peripheral nervous system, C endocrine system या D respiratory system? तो what is the right answer कि which of the following is the control and coordination center? Okay, so what is the right answer? Brain and the spinal cord. This is the center which control and coordinate in human bodies. Okay, the human nervous system is divided into two parts. Okay, so basically human nervous system divided into two parts. A central nervous system, D autonomic nervous system, B central nervous system and peripheral nervous system, C peripheral nervous system and autonomic nervous system या D none of these? So what is the answer? We know that the nervous system is divided into two parts. This is the CNS and second is PNS. Okay, so C it is denoted to central nervous system, CNS it means central nervous system and PNS it means ki peripheral nervous system. So what is the right answer? Option B, this is the right answer ki C central nervous system and PNS this is the peripheral nervous system. Now next, which of the following is responsible for the regulation of heart rate and breathing in humans? Okay, so what is the right answer कि which of the following is responsible for the regulation of heart? Okay, so there are some similar questions. देखिए जैसे for example this is the which of the following is the control and coordination in hands? ये देखो posture and balance of the body is controlled by cerebellum. Okay, and next control and coordination brain and spinal cord and next regulation of heart rate and breathing in humans. Okay, तो ये सभी कंफ्यूज क्रिएट करते हैं, तो क्वेश्चंस को ध्यान से देखना कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द रेगुलेशन ऑफ हार्ट रेट and breathing in humans? A. cerebrum, B. cerebellum, C. medulla oblongata या hypothalamus. तो what is the right answer? This is the medulla oblongata. This is the right answer. Now next, reproduction is essential for living organism in order to. Reproduction is essential for living organism in order to A. keep the individual organism alive, B. fulfill their energy requirement, C. maintain growth या D. continue the species generation after generation. Okay, so what is why reproduction is essential? Because continue the species generation after generation. What happen in the reproduction? When reproduction में क्या होता है? न्यू ऑफस्प्रिंग इज फॉर्म इन बाय द रिप्रोडक्शन. ओके, तो बाय द रिप्रोडक्शन न्यू ऑफस्प्रिंग इज फॉर्म. तो इट मीन्स कि जो कंटिन्यू है स्पीशीज जनरेशन बाय जनरेशन क्या होगी? कंटिन्यूटी मेंटेन रहेगी. दैट्स वाई कि रिप्रोडक्शन एसेंशियल फॉर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग डिजीज इज ट्रांसमिटेड सेक्सुअली? Okay, so there are some sexually diseases which are transferred. A. Kala jar, B. jaundice, C. cholera and D. syphilis. So what is the right answer? The option D. syphilis. This is the right answer. One more disease which is transferred from the sexually. This is the AIDS. Okay, so this disease is also known as the sexually transmitted disease. Okay, so there are two diseases, one is syphilis, second is AIDS. Okay, so what is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome? This is the full form of AIDS. Okay, and it is, ये किसके थ्रू होता है? HIV वायरस. We all know this कि HIV वायरस के थ्रू एड्स ट्रांसफर होता है. तो इट मीन्स कि दिस इज अ सेक्सुअली ट्रांसमिटेड disease. So there are one more question, write some example of sexually transmitted disease. So there are two example, one is AIDS and second is syphilis. They are transferred from the sexual. Okay, now next question. Which among the following is not the function of testis and at puberty? Okay, कि which among the following is not the function of testis at puberty age? Okay, what is the puberty age? The puberty age, it means the adolescent age. It from 11 to 18 and 19 के mid की age होती है. This is known as the puberty age. Okay, now A. formation of germ cells. Second, secretion of testosterone. Third, development of placenta. And fourth, secretion of estrogen. Okay, so there are, what is the question? So we found the function of testis. Okay, so there are not function of testis. So development of placenta and secretion of estrogen. These are the, ये functions नहीं हैं. This is not the function of testis. So what is the right answer? Option third and fourth. So here option C. This is the right answer. Third and fourth. These are not the function of testis. What is the cause behind the fast spreading of bread mold on bread slice? What is the cause behind the fast spreading of bread mold on bread slice? Numerous spores present in the air due to the presence of thread-like hyphae, trace of moisture and essential nutrients, formation of round-shaped स्पोरेंजिया. ओके, तो इसके अंदर से अपने को ऑप्शंस चूज करने हैं. तो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? न्यूमरस स्पोर्स प्रेजेंट इन द एयर This is the answer. And trace of moisture and essential nutrients. Okay, so what is the जो reason behind the fast spreading of bread mold on the bread slice? This is the first and third. Where is first and third? Option A. This is the right. First and third. Now, next question. The process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of flower is known as. Okay, the process of transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower is known as A. fertilization, B. pollination, C. germination या D. seed dispersal. So what is the right answer? The right answer is option B. pollination. Now next, in humans the gametes are produced in. Humans में जो gametes हैं are produced in A. ovaries and testes, B. uterus and ovaries, C. ovaries and vas differences या D. ovaries and fallopian tubes. तो gametes, there are two gametes. Okay, so they are produced in the option A. ovaries and testes. Now next, which of the following statement is true for sexual reproduction? Okay, for sexual reproduction. A. it involves a single parent. B. it leads to limited varieties in offspring. Offspring are genetically identical to parents. Offspring inherited traits from both parents. Okay, so what happened in the sexual reproduction? तो in the sexual reproduction जो offspring है inherited traits from both parents. दोनों parents के characteristics उसमें आएंगे. Now next question. Binary fission is a mode of reproduction commonly observed in. Binary fission. What happened in the binary fission? When a cell, when an organism, okay, like this, कि जैसे this is a organism, okay, तो when this organism is divided into two new offspring, okay, like this, कि first of all division in किसका न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन होगा, आफ्टर दैट डिवीजन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. ओके, तो टू डॉटर सेल्स का क्या होगा, फॉर्मेशन होगा. ओके, तो दिस इज द बाइनरी फिजन. तो व्हाट हैपन इन द बाइनरी फिजन कि ऑर्गेनिज्म इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू डॉटर ऑफस्प्रिंग. ओके, तो इट इज प्रेजेंट इनटू द ह्यूमंस, B. bacteria, C. flowering plant, D. animal with external fertilization. So what is the right answer? Option B. bacteria. This is the right answer. Now next, identify the organism that reproduce by the fragmentation method. Okay, तो इसके अंदर हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, रिप्रोडक्शन बाय द फ्रेगमेंटेशन मेथड. ओके, ऑप्शन ए अमीबा, बी अर्थवर्म, सी हाइड्रा, डी फिश. तो व्हाट इज द ऑप्शन, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? द राइट आंसर इज हाइड्रा. ओके, तो इन हाइड्रा बर्डिंग के थ्रू तो हाइड्रा में रिप्रोडक्शन होता ही है, एज वेल एज फ्रेगमेंटेशन के थ्रू भी क्या होता है, इसमें रिप्रोडक्शन होता है. तो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि हाइड्रा के अंदर देयर आर टू मोड which is present into the hydra. First is binary fission and second is fragmentation. Both are present into the hydra. Which of the following is made reproductive part of the flower? Male reproductive part of a flower. A. ovary, B. style, C. stigma, D. stamen. So what is the right answer? We all know that कि जो pistil है, pistil, this is the female reproductive part, and what is present into the pistil? Style, stigma, ovary, all are present into the pistil. So what is the male reproductive part. This is the stamen. What is the right answer? Option D, stamen. This is the male reproductive part. Now next, the fusion of male and female gametes is known as the germination, pollination, fertilization, fragmentation. So what is the right answer? Fertilization. Offspring formed by asexual reproduction are genetically identical to, it is very important, offspring formed by asexual reproduction. Okay, grandparents, sibling, parent and both parents. ये कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट करेगा आपको, बिकॉज यहाँ पे टू ऑप्शन है, वन इज पेरेंट एंड सेकंड इज बोथ पेरेंट्स. ओके, तो नाउ व्हाट इज आवर क्वेश्चन? आवर क्वेश्चन इज asexual reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, it means only one parent is involved in the asexual reproduction. So what is the answer? The answer is option C, parent. कि offspring formed by asexual reproduction are genetically identical to the parent, not both parents. Both parent नहीं करना, because this is a asexual reproduction. If there is a question of sexual reproduction होता तो हम both parents कर सकते थे, बट यहाँ पर हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? asexual reproduction. तो asexual reproduction में genetically identical किसके होते हैं? पेरेंट्स के. और वैसे भी इनके सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में जेनेटिकली आइडेंटिकल नहीं होते हैं, सिमिलर टू देयर पेरेंट्स होते हैं, बट दे आर नॉट जेनेटिकली आइडेंटिकल टू देयर पेरेंट्स. ओके, तो नाउ हियर वी डिस्कस अबाउट द एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन, दैट्स व्हाई दे आर जेनेटिकली आइडेंटिकल टू देयर पेरेंट. Now next, the process of shedding of the uterine lining along with the unfertilized egg is called A, ovulation, B, menstruation, C, fertilization या D, implantation. तो what is the right answer? Option B, menstruation. This is the right answer. Now next, acid rain is caused due to A, carbon oxide, B, nitrogen oxide, C, sulfur oxide, D, both B and C. So what is the right answer? Both B and C, because nitrogen oxide and sulfur oxide both are present into the acid rain. Okay, so that's why option D is the right answer. Which of the following belongs to the category of primary consumer? Okay, तो primary consumer A, eagle and snake, B, grasshopper and cattle, C, snake and frog, D, water beetles and fish. Okay, now primary consumer. Which is the primary consumer? Option B, grasshopper and cattle. Both are primary consumer. Now next, what percentage of sunlight is captured by plants to convert into food energy? Okay, what percentage of sunlight is captured by plants to convert into food energy? 1%, 10%, 50%, more than 50%. So what is the right answer? Option A, 1%. Only 1% is absorbed. Okay, now next question. A detritus food chain begins with. Detritus food chain. Detritus food chain, it means कि when a food chain is start from the dead and decaying matters, microorganisms, this food chain is known as the detritus food chain. Okay, so what is the food chain? Detritus food chain, it means कि it starts from the dead and decaying matter which is known as the decomposers, microorganisms. Decomposers के थ्रू ये क्या होती है? स्टार्ट्स होती है. तो व्हाट है? कार्निवोरस, हर्बीवोरस, ओमनिवोरस या decomposers. What is the right answer? Option D, decomposers. नाउ which statement is incorrect? A. All green plants and blue-green algae are producers. Green plants get their food from organic compounds. Producers prepare their own food from inorganic compounds. Plants convert solar energy into chemical energy. Okay, so what is the incorrect statement? Okay, तो क्या होगा? ग्रीन प्लांट्स गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. दिस इज द रॉन्ग आंसर. ओके, नाउ ओजोन शील्ड्स द सरफेस ऑफ अर्थ फ्रॉम इंफ्रारेड रेज, यूवी रेज, एक्स रेज या ऑल. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? ऑप्शन बी, यूवी रेज. नाउ नेक्स्ट, विच refrigerant is responsible for depletion of ozone layer? CFC, FCC, FCF, CCF. What is the right answer? Option A, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. What is the full form of CFC? This is a chlorofluorocarbon. The organism which synthesized carbohydrate from inorganic compounds using radiant energy are called. The organism which synthesized carbohydrate from inorganic compounds using radiant energy are called A. Decomposer, B. Producers, C. Herbivorous या D. Carnivorous. What is the answer? The organism which synthesized carbohydrate from inorganic compounds using radiant energy. रेडिएंट एनर्जी को यूज में लेके जो कार्बोहाइड्रेट को करते हैं फ्रॉम इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, तो वो क्या होगा? ऑप्शन ए, डिकम्पोजर, प्रोड्यूसर्स, हर्बिवोरस या फिर कार्निवोरस. दिस इज द प्रोड्यूसर्स. ओके, ऑप्शन बी, दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, नाउ वी डिस्कस सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज. इसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपको मिल जाएगा, PDF. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.